When you head on in your entrepreneurship journey, you basically developing a business, and regarding that business you have to build out our teams and many things. In this journey you will face a lot of rejections in your life, and in this playlist I will provide you solutions regarding those objections. So the first objection we are covering is, I don't have time for this. Yes, the most common third objection is, I don't have time for this. So let's get back to the solution. I am Pranshul Agrawal, business coach, entrepreneur, influencer marketing specialist. So let's start the video. When you are presenting some idea to that person or the investors or any organization, there are a lot of persons who will say that I don't have time for your plan or your idea. Maybe that idea is so beautiful or so will help you to create too much wealth in your life. If you are not able to present them beautifully, if you are not able to convince them through your presentation, then your idea will get flushed really, because you need investors or you need some persons to help you in this journey. So when you present someone and they are throwing objections, you have to understand because of three reasons. And this video will be pop out soon. I will share this video why these persons don't have trust on you, or why these persons are not able to understand your plan, etc. So let's start the solution. Why people say I don't have time for this. Before I will provide you solution, I will provide you a script regarding this. You have to understand why they are saying this thing. Maybe the issue is you are not able to present them correctly, or they are not able to understand what is your plan actually means for them. Yes, when a person is understanding something or learning something, they understand or learn that thing because of that this thing will help them to create some wealth or to create something which will nourish them in a positive way. So let's start the solution for this. I don't have time for this. You have to understand, when a person is saying I don't have to time, you don't have to be aggressive. You don't have to think, I give them 1 hour presentation and this person said I don't have time for that business, maybe I have to move on to this. Wait, be relaxed. You have to understand that's just an objection. You have to handle in confidence. Okay, so what you have to do, just apply field fact formula in the just apply field fact formula in the starting. What you have to do in this formula, you just have to be agree with them, because when you start getting aggressive, when you start getting doing complaints, or when you start getting irritated that this person say I don't have time for the business, things don't work. You have to understand, you have to agree with that person. When you get agree with that person, that the person will come and will understand what you are saying. Okay, so say them, I know, I understand that you are too busy in your life and you don't have time in that journey, or you don't have time for that business. What this thing make, this thing will calm down the person, and the person will become from speaking mode to listening mode. Okay, when you say I understand that you don't have time for the business, and the only thing matters when you don't have time, maybe you are the successful person in your life. Yes, that's a trait of the persons who are so successful in their life that they don't have time for anything. Maybe you are the person like those persons. So after saying this, pause for 20 seconds. Yes, pause for 20 seconds. You don't have to say any word. The person starts converting from speaking mode to listening mode, and that's the thing you have to do in objection handling. You have to understand why this person throw the objection on you, that I don't have time for this. Okay, you have to convert that person from speaking mode to listening mode. After saying this, you have to say again, I will provide you whole script, and I am providing whole script. Let's say I understand that you don't have time for that business. Maybe you are the successful person in your life. Okay, I want to ask you a question. I don't have any complaint that you don't have time for that business, but I only have one question regarding this. You don't have time in your life. Is this, you don't have time in your life for that business? Is this your success or failure? You don't have time for that business. Is this your success or your failure? You have to stay quiet after saying this thing. The person will think that is this my success or failure, because if you are not able to give part time, or you are not able to start anything which will help you to create more wealth, how you can give time to your parents, to your family, to your kids, because your parents nourished you around 20 to 30 years to make you that much in your life, and you don't have time for them. If you don't have time for that business, maybe you don't have time for your family in the future. How you can get engaged with them, how you can care for them if you don't have time for them? So you have to understand, is this your failure or achievement that you don't have time in your life for that business? After that, the person starts engaging with you, the person starts listening about your product or service. So you have to give them proper knowledge. You don't have to roll out the information, you have to provide exact information to that person. After asking this question that is this your success or failure, ask this question to that person. When you had time in your life before 5 years, when you had time for any new opportunity coming in your way which will help you to create massive wealth, when you had time for any opportunity, or when you will have that much time for a new opportunity, the answer is never. Yes, you have to take out time from your schedule, from your busy schedule, to the things, to the new opportunities which will help you to create massive wealth. Because what is the value of money if you are not able to spend it at the right time? Maybe you love the bikes, maybe you love the car, but do you love to enjoy riding that car or bike at the age of 26 or 56? Ask this question to you. Always, every person says, I love to ride at the age of 26. Why you are not pushing yourself to the new opportunities which will help you to create more wealth? So understand, you can generate more money in your life, but you can't generate, or you can reinvent time in your life. So you have to understand, for the things you are spending your time right now, the result will come after 5 years. So if you spend time on the productive activities, you will start getting results more productive after 5 years. So start spending your time on the meaningful activities now. I am revising the whole script. First, ask the question. First, use the field formula that I understand you don't have time for this. You are so busy person, and that's a quality of a person. That's a quality of successful persons, that they don't have time for the new things. You are also a successful person. They said no. Second thing, you have to ask them a question. You don't have time in your life for a new opportunity which will help you to create massive wealth. Is this your success or is this your failure? Okay, after asking this question, pause for some time, wait for his or her reply. After that, ask this question to that person. When you had time in your life 5 years ago or 10 years ago, when you had time in your life for the new opportunities which will help you to create side income sources or another income streams, or when you will have time for a new opportunity in your life, the answer is clearly never. Because when you don't have time now for the new opportunities, what you do right now, you will start getting results after 5 years. So what you did 5 years back, you are getting results now. So spend your time on the productive activities which will help you to nourish your future. Okay, after doing this type of objection handling, just give them proper information and the person will enroll in your entrepreneurship journey or whatever the business you are doing, giving exposure to that person. Okay. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, tap on the bell icon so you can get my video first, and in the upcoming videos I will provide you more objection handling solutions so you can head on in your entrepreneurship journey. But up to that, you can watch my video. Up to that, you can watch my video whole entrepreneurship journey in 5 minutes. Just watch out right now. Click on that.